Imagine you're with your family in a forest and out camping. It is a sunny and bright day, but your children are in desperate need for entertainment. Feeling like video games and being on the phone does not better your kids for a successful life, you look around and only have these simple materials like a box and aluminum foil. Later, you decide you need a source to create your fun time snacks. What do? You build a solar oven. My name is Mara Trevino, and this is how you make a fun and easy solar oven, especially for your bored children.
Hello everyone, this is how you make an easy and family-friendly solar oven. For the materials, you will need the following items shown on the bottom of the screen. First, you would need a straight edge item to guide your pencil to form a box. Next, grab your knife and directly cut where you made the lines. Now gently lift the cutout box that you just made. Now take your tin foil and put it directly under the cutout box. Make sure to cut any excess tin foil if needed. Then gently fold like so. Now take your tape and gently tape the folds down to the box. Next, take saran wrap and cut it out to a size that will cover the hole on the pizza lid. Make sure to tape down the saran wrap. Take your black construction paper and place it onto the box. Then securely tape the construction paper down. Now cover all sides of the box with construction paper. Then take 4 pieces of newspaper and gently wrap it like so. Attach the 4 rolls of paper and form a square. Apply the square-sized newspaper onto the box, and we are done. You can add a s'more or a pizza slice and leave it outdoors for 40 to 60 minutes to heat up. Thank you for watching.
Why a solar oven, you may ask? Well, the solar oven is the initial step to exploring scientific-based engineering. The solar oven not only provides a fun way of learning the basics of engineering, but it can also allow us to see how solar energy can be used in everyday life. We all know that the sun produces most of the Earth's energy, but do we know the possibilities on what we can use it for? The solar energy provided from the sun emits heat and light, allowing us to cook food or even let dirty water become healthy for us to drink. The oven is designed so that we can directly see this process happen. The UV rays of sunlight are probably absorbed through the aluminum foil and are eventually reflected through the plastic wrap. This is how it heats up the air that is trapped inside. The black construction paper is probably absorbed the heat at the bottom of the oven, and the plastic wrap helps the heat stay inside the box to cook the food. This process is basically similar to the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a necessity to properly heat the Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. In order for the heat to be properly trapped, there are these heat-trapped gases that wrap as a layer around the Earth. However, this process can have some downfalls. These greenhouse gases are a natural part of our atmosphere's makeup, but with the amount of burning fossil fuels that increase the amount of carbon dioxide to the air, the heat is constantly being stored in our atmosphere. This is an issue and causes our temperature to rise. An understanding of these scientific-based concepts for the younger generations may inspire them to change our world. You may ask, What are the benefits of using a solar oven? And to that we have the answer. Using a solar energy is clean and reliable source of energy and won't cause any harm to the environment when being used. Another benefit of having a solar oven is that no natural sources would be used to provide aid while the solar oven is in use. It is also very quick and easy to make. It's very fun and educational for the children, and supplies are basically found everywhere in the house. No matter what, though, there will always be one major downfall for a solar oven. The most important material that is vital for the use of the solar oven is the sun. Knowing the sun provides most energy and not being able to use it makes a solar oven impossible to use. For example, if it is a cloudy day or a rainy day, it makes it practically impossible to use the solar oven because no heat or light is being transferred into the oven to cook something. Well, you may be wondering, how can we make the cooking process faster? As you may know, the cooking process might originally take 40 to 60 minutes tops. But you can always reposition the angle of the flap to reflect more or less sun rays down into the box. This way, more heat will be trapped in the box. You can also try adding more newspaper to create better insulation inside of the box to contain more heat. Well, why give this a try? The solar oven is an amazing and smart invention that is worth trying to make. In a fun way, you would learn and understand how solar energy is produced from the sun and can be converted into many different ways. The solar oven is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to engineering a way of harnessing solar energy. Well, thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and create the solar oven together.